See, good morning all of you. Today's concept, classification of elements. So here, based on electronic configuration, based on electronic configuration, see here, based on electronic configuration, elements are classified into 4 blocks. They are, first one, S block elements, then P block elements, D block elements, F block elements. Based on electronic configuration. Okay, if S block elements, say this about S block. So S block elements, if the differentiating electron, what is called a differentiating electron? Last electron. If the differentiating electron enter into a S orbital are called S block elements. The elements whose differentiating electron entered into a S orbital are called S block elements. Okay, for example, if I have taken sodium, its atomic number 11. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. See this? The last electron is called differentiating electron. It enters S orbital. So the sodium belongs to S block. If calcium, atomic number 20. Its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. See this. This is the calcium electronic configuration. There, the differentiating electron, last electron that enters into S orbital. So calcium also belongs to S block. Now listen. S block elements. So generally what we know before, S orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So the S block elements arranged in 2 groups. S orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons. So the S block elements are arranged in 2 groups. 2 groups. Okay, these are first A group and second A group. First A group elements, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second A group elements, if we can take beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So we take any element, if its electronic configuration 1s1. Generally, so hydrogen atomic number 1, we know about that. So before I have given one thing, periods. Horizontal rows are known as periods. First period having 2 elements, second period 8, third period 8, fourth period 18, fifth period 18, sixth period 32 elements, seventh period incomplete. I have given first period very short, only 2 elements, second 8 short, third 8 short, 18, fourth long, fifth 18 long, 32 very long and incomplete. Now listen, how to find out atomic numbers of the group elements. First hydrogen 1 atomic number. 1 is less than, it is a 2. So next element if you want, already here 1 is the next element if you want, 1 plus 2. So 2 add 1 plus 2, how much that? 3. First element 1, 1 plus 2, 3. Lithium atomic number 3. Next if you want, sodium 3 plus 8. How much that? 11. Sodium atomic number 11. Already we have added this 8. Next element if you want, 11 plus 8. How much that? 19. This
19.
atomic number 19.
9.
Next element if you want, 19 plus 18. How much that? 37. Rubidium atomic number 37. Next element if you want, 37 plus 18. How much that? 55. Cesium atomic number 55. If you want francium, 55 plus 32. How much that? 87. This is the 87. Understood that? Hydrogen atomic number 1, we know that. Next element 1 plus 2, 3. Next element 3 plus 8, 11. Next 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 18, 37. 37 plus 18, 55. 55 plus 32, 87. Like that, say beryllium. Beryllium first element we know that 4. Okay, 4 means greater than 2, that is. So that's why already it is over. 4 greater than 2. Next element if you want, 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8. 12. Okay, next element 12 plus 8 again. 20.
20.
Next element 20 plus 18.
38.
38. Next element 38 plus 18. 56. 56 plus 32. 80.
88.
Like that.
88.
Like this, we can say atomic numbers. Okay, now say its electronic configuration, first A group elements, last electron entered into S subshell, so it belongs to S block. Next 1s2, 2s1. Next 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. See 1s1, 2s1, valency 3s1. Like that, here we get 4s1. Like that, here we get 5s1. Like that, here we get 6s1. Like that, here we get 7s1. See this. If we can write complete electronic configuration, we get the valency shell 1s1, 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1, 6s1, 7s1. It is similar to ns1. General outermost electronic configuration of first A group ns1. N place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. S1. S orbital में 1 electron. All belongs to S block. Like the P block elements. See? P block elements electronic configuration say that 1s2, 2s2. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. It is a outermost shell. It is a outermost shell. Calcium 4s2. Strontium 5s2. Barium 6s2. Okay, radium 7s2. If we can write complete electronic configuration, complete. Okay, according to rules, we know that. Write down. We get 2s2, 3s2, 4s2, 5s2, 6s2, 7s2, like that only. So here, second A group of elements, these are. Groups may second A group. These are general outermost electronic configuration ns2. All elements valency electron enter into S subshell, so S block. So outermost contain 2 electron S orbital ns2. It is ns1, first A group. Second A group ns2. Therefore, Total S block elements general electronic configuration is S block elements general electronic configuration is NS122. What is the meaning of that? NS122 means NS1 first A group, NS2 second A group, NS122. First A group, second A group elements are called S block elements. S block elements. S block contain only two groups, first A, second A. First A group elements are also called alkali metals. Alkali metals. Second A group elements are also called alkaline earth metals. First A group elements common oxidation state +1. Second A group elements common oxidation state +2. Why? Because all first A group of elements after losing one electron, these are getting stability. Here after losing two electrons, they are getting stability. K shell, N shell, M shell. So it is a +1, it is a +2. All S block elements except lithium and beryllium. Except lithium and beryllium, all are active metals. Active means easily participate in chemical reactions to form ionic compounds. Except lithium and beryllium. So lithium and beryllium form covalent compounds, except that remaining are form ionic compounds. They are strong reducing agents. So especially lithium is very strong reducing agent. They have generally very low melting and boiling points. They are located at the left side of the periodic table. If you can take periodic table S block elements are located at the left side. P block elements right side. D block elements between S and P. F block elements bottom of the periodic table. Understood that? Now, so here, whose elements, the differentiating electron enter into S orbital, the element belongs to S block. Next, S block, which contain two groups only, because S orbital can accommodate two electrons, which contain 1A and 2A groups. So 1A group elements are called alkali metals. Its electronic configuration, general outermost electronic configuration NS1. 2A group elements are also called alkaline earth metals. Its general outermost electronic configuration NS2. Finally, S block element general electronic configuration is similar to NS122. What is the meaning of that? NS1, 1A group, NS2, 2A group. So, all S block elements except lithium and beryllium, all are active metals. At the same time, I have given these are form ionic compounds. Okay, then now listen. So here, lithium and beryllium form covalent compounds. Lithium and beryllium form covalent compounds. Okay, it is clear? Boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, P block elements. Just here we want this one only. Next, P block elements. What are P block elements? See.
Differentiating electrons.
Very good. P block elements means the differentiating electron enter into P orbital are called P block, whose elements the differentiating electron, last electron enters into P orbital, that is called P block element. Now, P orbital, we know that it accommodates maximum number of electrons. How many? 6. P orbital can accommodate maximum number of electrons are 6. So the p block elements are arranged in 6 groups. S block elements are arranged in 2 groups. P block elements are arranged in 6 groups. Now here p block elements. So these are third A group. It is nothing but 13th group. Fourth A group. It is nothing but 14th group. Fifth A group. It is nothing but 15th group. Sixth A group. It is nothing but 16th group. Seventh A group. It is nothing but 17th group. So 8th A group. It is nothing but 18th group. We know that total 18 groups. These are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 13 group is also referred as a third A, then fourth A, then fifth A, then sixth A, then seventh A, then eighth A. Now listen. These elements are called P block elements because if we can take here third A group elements, see boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. Boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium. If we can take boron, its atomic number 5. Say what about its electronic configuration?
1s2 2s2
1s2 2p1.
2p1.
Okay, see this. Outermost electronic configuration means this one. Outermost electron entered into p orbital, so it belongs to p block. Last electron entered into p orbital, so it belongs to p block. So, like aluminum atomic number 30. Say its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2,
2s2
3p6,
2p6
3s2, 3p1.
3s2
See, it is
3p1.
a K shell, L shell, M shell. What is the valency shell here? 3s2, 3p1. See that last shell. 2s2, 2p1. 3s2, 3p1. 4s2, 4p1. 5s2, 5p1. 6s2, 6p1. So outermost electronic configuration of third A group of elements similar to ns2 np1. Understood that? Outermost electronic configuration is similar to ns2 np1. S orbital 2 electrons, p orbital 1 electron, total 3 electrons outermost content because third A group 3 electrons. First A group 1 electron, second A group 2 electrons, third A group 3 electrons, fourth A group 4 electrons, fifth A group 5 electrons, sixth A group 6 electrons, like that. ns2 np1. That is the general electronic configuration of third A. If we can take fourth A, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. See that. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. So carbon atomic number, what about that? 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2.
2s2 2p2.
So outermost, see that 2s2, 2p2, 4 electrons. Silicon layer to 3s2, 3p2. Next element 4s2, 4p2, 5s2, 5p2, 6s2, 6p2. What is the outermost electronic configuration of fourth A group of elements? ns2, np2. Understood? ns2, np2. Fourth A group means 4 electrons. If we can take fifth A group. 50 A group elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. 50 A group elements: nitrogen atomic number 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It is a K shell, it is a L shell. Outermost, what about that 5 electrons? 50 A group, 5 electrons. Nitrogen I thought 2s2, 2p3. Phosphorus 3s2, 3p3. Arsenic 4s2, 4p3. 5s2, 5p3, like that. What is the general outermost electronic configuration of 50 A group of elements? ns2, np3. Like that, if we can take 60 group of elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium,
ns2
tellurium,
np4.
polonium. What about the outermost electronic configuration? ns2,
ns2
np4.
np4.
If we can take 7th A group of elements, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. What about that outermost electronic configuration? NS2,
NS2,
NP5.
NP5.
Very good. So 8th A group of elements, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, except helium, remaining all elements, NS2, NP6. Okay, neon, if you can take neon, 10, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It is a K shell, it is a L shell. NS2, NP6. Third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth. Third A group, fourth A group, fifth A group, sixth A group, seventh A group, eighth A group. Therefore, what is the general electronic configuration of P block? Total P
NS,
general electronic configuration NS2,
NS2,
NP
NP
1 to 6.
1 to 6.
Why? Because I have taken NS2 NP 1 to 6 means NS2 NP1 third A group. NS2 NP1 third A group. NS2 NP2 fourth A group. NS2 NP5 fifth A group, and so on. Finally, P block element general outermost electronic configuration NS2 NP 1 to 6. All elements P block, these are present right hand side of the periodic table. The last electron entered into P orbital, so these elements belongs to P block. Understood that? Here, third A group of elements are also called boron family. Fourth A group of elements are also called carbon family. Fifth A group of elements are also called nitrogen family or nicosens. I will do that explanation. Sixth A group elements are also called oxygen family or chalcosens. Seventh A group of elements are also called halogens. Eighth A group of elements are also called noble gases. If we are observed, P block elements contain all non-metals and some of the metals and metalloids also there. Most of the elements are non-metals, but S block may metals. Here most of the elements are non-metals, some metals and metalloids also there. So most of the P block elements form covalent compounds and oxidizing agents. They are located right hand side of the periodic table. So it is the about P block elements. So here it is understood up to P block elements.
Yes, sir.